Hi everyone, I am Vani, your official bridesmaid, and this is my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, तो जल्दी जाकर channel को subscribe करो. My channel is fully loaded with wedding content. Today, I'm stepping into the world where luxury meets innovation. In the world of Ennor.
Anor, it means the legacy of blood. And that's how it came the name Anor. And we've been in this business since more than 100 years. But now this is lab grown everything, and I believe in it. No blood diamond, and everyone loves it. And I know how the youngster feel. They don't want to put their money in natural and put it in the safe. They want to enjoy. They want to invest. This is how it. This is my pink diamond collection, which is actually the fancy color diamonds. So we have a collection in yellow diamonds and pink because these are the colors I like, and they come exactly what natural looks like. And we are specialized in this. So there is a beautiful necklace which is all the young girls love it. And there's one collection is I'll show you the amethyst. Like this is the one. It's actually natural amethyst, but I love the way it's made, and it's so wearable.
Beautiful.
The green emerald collection. These are also lab grown, but emerald. It has a perfect inclusion. So this is one of my favorite pieces. It's a very simple and elegant. The ruby, which is everyone wants single line, which is your first prize. The first position, one must have it in the single line necklace. Every piece, which has a pearl, it has a green lab grown emerald and the diamond. And this is the very beautiful collection and which goes with everything. But this piece is also took 6 months to make it. And I must have given back at least 4 times to remake because it didn't turn out that good, which my liking.
I really like this detailing, the pearl dropping.
Yes,
This is
so
very
it's something
beautiful.
different and it's very nice. And one should you should try it.
Yes,
And
I will be trying.
yes, just a beat simple line, and these are all big solitaire 10 carats each. And this is the wedding collection, which is Tika one.
I like the cut of this diamond. This
Yes,
is
the
very nice.
yeah, it's a marquise and it's set differently.
Yeah,
It's a
very
long
nice.
way, yes.
Very pretty.
Thank you. This is a beautiful wedding piece, and which went for the Oscar, where the it was picked up by the Swades to wear for the after the party, and this is my really proud, very premium thing, and this is what I want to get into the only wedding big pieces, bridal.
Working with a lot of brides myself, so there are brides जो आती है हमारे पास उनसे पूछती है. We know some jewelry designer जो उनके outfits के हिसाब से according to their cuts of the blouse, if a designer can design a whole piece for her wedding day or for other functions. So tell us, ma'am, how do you customize those jewelry for her?
Oh, I've done. In fact, my first 3 years back, I started with the bride color. I mean, she came to me, and I was just doing a little bit, but then she came. She said, "I want entire my wedding collection by you."
Love.
And then we worked together. She designed together according to the outfit, and it turned out to be so beautiful. That's why I decided to go into premium wedding collection.
And how about the jewelry for the grooms? Because 2026 में हम जो trend देख रहे हैं, so now the grooms are also focusing on jewelry. Like पहले इतना jewelry का trend नहीं होता था grooms के अंदर, but now they're also like कि अब हमें brooches चाहिए. So how about the jewelry for the groom and the men's wear?
Well, I have a collection.
Oh, lovely.
Yes, for the men's line, where there are Serwani buttons you could see there.
Yes,
We
I
can
did see there. It's there.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there are brooches, many. And then, of course, I have sold out a lot for the wedding
That's great.
season. But somebody brings the design and I make that. So it's always like, I can do the customized pieces as well.
Lovely. And I can also see there are a lot of colored diamonds here and they're so pretty. कैमरे पे I'm sure वो उतने अच्छे नहीं लग रहे होंगे जितने वो in person लग रहे होंगे, and definitely when you wear it you will see the difference, the colors how they fall on your face, the light जब टकराती है diamond से तब वो आपके face पे एक reflection देती है, so it is lovely. So you must come here at Anor और यहाँ पर आके आप अपनी collection देखिए, and of course at the 1/10 of the price of the natural diamonds. And yes, these are the responsible diamonds as we see.
Thank you. Yes, of course, we have everything certified. Even each small piece of jewelry is also certified.
Lovely.
And we are always there to serve you. This is our men's collection, and of course, we work by it, like they also bring their designs and they say we want this way, so we work like that. And this is, of course, favorite Guruji's, which is I want to make more and more different design, but I've just started with this much. And these are the brooches, the Sherwani buttons, which is also for the men's line. So we're going to make a more big collection also, but preferably, everybody have their own design. So
Yes.
this is just the line we have put it.
Okay. Lovely.
So this is lab-grown diamond with this is lab-grown sapphires. So we can make the same thing in lab-grown rubies or lab-grown emeralds, whatever your outfit is. We can match the colors with the outfit. So if it is a green outfit, we could give you lab-grown emeralds in this, and the hanging and the stone we can change. And this whole piece can be customized in about 10-12 days. So we just need about 10-12 days to make it. And basically, our workshop is in Mumbai, and that is where we specialize in the premium craftsmanship. So basically, what happens is that in Delhi, if you'll shop and you'll buy such pieces, you will not get, because these are premium pieces. Our finesse is different from what all you see here.
In other
Around
brands,
yeah, in the other brands. So our brand is specializing in the finesse and the we curate all the designs very well. So I hope you'll enjoy wearing this piece.
This is lovely.
So this is a blue outfit, and basically a turquoise blue outfit. So with this you can wear a contrast emerald necklace. Emerald is very in nowadays. So nowadays, after the Ambani wedding, I think emeralds have become they've become really the rage. So this is basically a lab-grown emerald, and this is about 38 carats. So we can give you very big size emeralds in lab-grown. So that's the best part about lab-grown, because we are growing it in the lab and we are cutting it as per the requirement of the client. So that's if you are buying this in natural, it's going to be a humongous price.
Yeah.
So in lab grown, that's the advantage. So look at the clarity and the cut and the color of the emerald and the diamonds, of course. That is also some, I think 60 carat diamonds have been used in this. And we have very nice earrings to match with this. These are also the teardrop shape in emerald. So this is again lab grown, and it's set up very well in our workshop in Mumbai. So Mumbai is where we have our first store, and this is our second outlet in Delhi. So the craftsmanship is excellent from Mumbai, and we have another store in New York as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the famous Panther bracelet, which of course for me took more than 8 months, and then many times we broke it till the face turned out to be perfect.
This clear.
Yes, it's just see even the panther expression. And these are the same emerald ruby bits, and put in between the center we added just one diamond to keep that glitter and the richness of it. It's just a beautiful piece. I love it.
So this is a pink tourmaline, and this is a lab-grown diamond in this necklace. It's a very beautifully designed necklace, and these are pink diamonds in the layering with the chain and the pendant. These are the pink diamonds. These are also lab-grown, and these are again lab-grown diamonds in pink and in white. And these are also beautifully designed. Nowadays, layering concept is really in. I think it's coming from the Western world. So people are looking at a lot of thin chains and, layering the thing. So the necklace is enhanced when we layer it with a thinner chain.
and especially when we are wearing a deeper neck. So
Yeah.
अगर हम ऐसे stack of chains पहने या फिर एक pendant set के
it
साथ
yeah,
पहने,
it gives a thinner
It's-
look
yeah.
to your neck, because when you layer it, it gives you a length.
yeah, it does.
Yeah.
If you're looking for diamonds in more modern, elegant and responsible way, then Honor is the way to go. Come and visit the showroom here in South X. Kindly like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do share my video to your friends and family. जो भी प्लान कर रहे हो डायमंड ज्वेलरी खरीदना, अगर नहीं भी प्लान कर रहे हो तो ये वीडियो देख के I'm sure वो प्लान कर ही लेंगे.